is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. Before I go any further, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just telling you what I see and showing you how I trade, and just maybe it can help you out. Learn from my mistakes, learn from my good technique as well. So this morning, we go backwards. I am only a guy that trades on the internet and like showing people how I trade to help them out like someone did me many years ago. This morning, ANCN got some news and just exploded. I don't know why, but it did. So here we are. My current watch list is right here. PRVL, OCX, AVXL, MSET, TMBR, ANCN, BDR, and BTWN. Look over here at this ANCN. It was down here this morning at $1.70 just 26 minutes ago. News came out, and in one candle, it went up almost $4. Actually, yeah, almost $4 in this one 5-minute candle. Look at the news over here. It tells you here about the news, right? And it's currently up right now almost 200%. So what it did was it took off, then dumped. Now we know, well, how I trade is if a stock pulls back 50% or less, I know I can buy in. If it pulls back more than 50%, I won't buy in, no matter what, because I know it's going to take a crap. I'm going to draw right now, this point right here, the bottom of this wick, which is 4.8, right? I'm going to go to 1 minute chart. I'm going to see the same thing, the same line right there. I'm going to draw here. If you look at, I draw here at because hold on. It topped out here and touched here at the same time. So the channel technically is right there. High of day is 560. Hold on, y'all. Can't get 60. I'll leave it there. Now, we wanted to stay above this, right? And ride this channel. So it took off here, hit the channel, pull all the way back to the channel, hit here. Now it's consolidating. The VWAP is 462. So even if I bought right here, right now, I get 40 cents. I'm good in the VWAP. Here, down here is burgundy, and it's curving upwards, about to. On the RSI, consolidation. Now, but if you look at the 5-minute chart, it's showing you different. It's showing an explosion, a pullback, getting ready for the curve up. However, down here is dark green, which means it's fading. Level 2, mini sellers coming in, right? You can see it here as well. You got big sellers come in, they go away, which means they either taking profit or shorting. Now this stock here ain't did nothing in quite a while. I traded this about a couple months ago. You go to 180-day, 4-hour chart, you'll see here, make it smaller. A couple months ago back here, it made a little move. If you look at the 1 year, 1 day, you'll see it's the highest it's been this morning. So we got 40 seconds left before trading. The market opens. So I'm going to change my number to 100. Remember, small account. I only trade 100 to 400 shares just for this video purposes. So if it pops this point right here of 446, that's a buy-in point. If it drop below this, I'm watching for this point here. Let me watch for a minute. I'm going to try to wait one candle before I buy in, unless it totally take off, which it probably won't happen. Look right here, the RSI. It's curving down. Let me log in my large account and see what I can do here on one of these trades. Let me go back to this. All right. Leading gapper up 170% right now. We're going to see what it does right here. It's not moving, barely moving at all. Here we go. New high, I'm going to hop in. But it got to maintain above this new high, which is right here. I'm going to hold off for probably 5 minutes, see what happens right here, because I don't like what it's doing. If it fades too much, it's my fault. I watched it too long. I mean, sorry. If it rises too much, it's my fault for not watching it rise. instead jumping behind it. Don't chase stocks. Don't chase stocks. Let me try to go to my account and see if I can find a buying point. PRVL still moving though. Let me look at PRVL. Let me go to my charts. What PRVL at? I don't have it up here. OCX, Timber. All right, PRVL. This morning, it exploded right there. Reason why? Right here, it had news. So since that point though, it's been basically stagnant. So I don't like PRVL either. I might try to hop in though for maybe a few cents, but it's not doing much, nothing that I like at least. So PRVL, let me turn my ringer off on this. Let me see. TMBR, nothing. OCX, nothing. OCX is actually fading. PRVL, maybe for a couple cents if I get lucky. Let me see. Try to get to like 25 bucks. See what happens. Timber just failed. Case in point, the name TMBR, Timber. Let me go over here to my chart. BTWN. Is that on my screen over there? I forgot about that one. We're going to go right here. BTWN. BTWN. It's bullish right there. Let's see what I can do with this BTWN right quick. For a run up to 15 bucks. Let me go in the group right quick. All right, here we go. Almost hit my buy-in point. You have 5 minutes, right? Check, check, check. It's making a new high. That's what I wanted to do. But it must be another candle to do that. If next candle after this is green, that's my target buy-in point. Don't force the action. You know what I mean? Don't force the action. See that? You would have bought in right there, and you'd be down right now 50 cents that quick. Let me go back to my charts again. Now, I'm not anything yet in my small account. I'm just looking around, trying to see the next opportunity. BTWN wants to make a bullish move. Look at that candle right there, a big old volume candle. Look at this daggone ANCN. It's failing horribly. OCX doing nothing. Remember, nothing to buy, don't buy anything. If it doesn't show up the way you want it, the pattern ain't the way you want it to be, don't buy. It's that simple. 7 million share float though. Trading 9 million shares, this is the one to buy right here. Once it recoup itself. We got 8 seconds left in this candle. Let's watch it. See if it's green or not. And there we go. Nope. I drew the lines earlier. You see the channel right there. Now this candle here, for me to buy in, must create a new high. Other than that, I'm not buying in. However, I look down here and I see consolidation. Here I see a small green candle. You want it to be very large green. Like this red was, you want the green to be the same way. You want here to be a light green candle. And you want to pass the previous candle. At least that's how I trade. And at this point, it's not how I trade. So I'm not going to even mess with it. Go to my charts again. Look for move on OCX right here. So the breaking point is 362. Looking for 362. resistance on OCX. All right, meanwhile, back at the ranch, I'm gonna add more stuff to my watch list. Remember, I traded nothing yet on my small account. EXPC is coming out of nowhere. KOS, nope. SM, AMPE, GME, it's GameStop, CX, GVO, SBIO, MUR, TRVN, BCDA, OPNT. Here we come. Let's make this move right here. I'm trying to get $1 or so out of this stock. It must pop this channel, right? And it must pop this new high. I'm sorry, praise that. The first 5-minute candle to make a new high is my buy-in point. At this point, it's not the first candle to make a new high. So I'm just looking and watching. TMBR. It's right here. Put TMBR right there. There go that move I missed. But I'm going to hop in now on this move. TMBR for quick 10 cents if I can get in fast enough. Sorry, I put in the group and I get done trading it. I want to get into it first if I tell anybody about it. So, my sell order in, and we're going to put it in right there. All right. So, TMBR. I'm going to edit it. It's in there. You can still see it. I'm going to edit it. Looking for a new high of day. High day 164. Let me draw a line right here. See that? 162. There it is. New high of day. 165. Before I get put into you guys, it already did it. And look at that dump. All right. Where we at? Let's see. OCX. Nope. BTWN. Nope. I want this one to recover, but it won't recover. Remember, if something you don't like, don't trade it. What are we doing? BTWN. Sleeping. I'm going to leave it run for a minute. I don't like anything yet. We watching. Now I see over here on the left, IMRNW. Let me get rid of that. I don't trade stocks more than 4 symbols. I don't like it. I don't know how to put those over there. I don't trade stocks more than 4 symbols. I'm totally against that. ANCN is a leading gapper. That's my focus. Look right here. First candle make a new high. So now we're looking at a 390 buy-in point. We're 10 minutes to the market. I haven't traded anything yet. Large account or small account. Rephrase that. I did. I traded TMBR. My bad. Forgot about that. He can move again on TMBR. Maybe we want to retest the high of day again. Bottom right. We're going to see what happens. ANCN is stagnant right now. BTWN, indecisive. And over here we got OCX not touching the high of the breaking point of 362. I put in the group. It's 345 right now. See if we make that move up to the resistance point. And we go from there. This thing here wants to make a move to the positive side. This needs to be a real large green bar to run this thing up on this volume right here. This consolidating the whole time. Let me draw the channel actually. Let me draw this channel right quick. The channel is very small. It's right there to right here. That's it. That is 34 to 54 we're gonna call it. That's a 50-cent channel, a 60-cent channel. Rephrase that. Yeah, to 94. 60-cent channel. First green candle make a new high. That's the buy-in point. But however, down here, it's not saying buy. Here it's saying we got some volume coming in, but here it ain't saying buy. For me, this must be light green. Could have took probably right there, what, 14, 15 cents? With 100 shares, it's only 14 bucks, right? The risk versus reward wasn't there. Still looking for a move right here. I'm gonna keep it on the same screen for the whole time. Watch this candle fail. See right here, top of this candle, it's almost even. Here come the green bar. Let's watch for this move right here. Just watching. Here comes some buyers. I'm watching. There. Let's go. Make this move through this bar. Okay, there we go. The VWAP is 423. Let's bang the VWAP and go through that. Straight curve upwards. We want to see that. We need to make 408 support. So I'm going to go over here on, we need to make, what I say it was? For what? 408. I mean, I said earlier that if a stock's pull back 50% from the high, I won't trade it anymore, right? Right here, this line is 50%. So it didn't come all the way down to it. It came down, went back up. Just got to be green. It's indecisive. Lime green. We need a big buyer coming here. There we go. To run it up. We way oversold. We was. This must be support, not resistance. 4.8 must be support, not resistance. Here comes some buyers. Here comes some buyers again. Break through the VWAP. Take what it gives you, right? Should have bought more shares than 100, but I didn't. It's okay. So it fell twice. The third time up, which is right here, If it doesn't break through a third time up, I'm gonna hop out of it. It wants to go through this point. Once it does, we go into the moon. The VWAP is so close yet so far, right? This the EMA. It's riding EMA. This the VWAP. You got last run here. I'm gonna call it quits on this one. But it has to blow through this 408 and make it support. It must make this line here support for it to be turned, so it become bullish. We need some buyers to come in here. It need to be, there you go. Big long green candle we need to pass the previous one. Long green candle, curve straight up, lime green here. Let's see. My last chance here if I get out of it. It want to blow through it. Here come the buyers over there. They're coming out. They faking us out. They're faking us out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What line at? People are lined up to sell. One more run. One more run. Blow through the VWAP. Come on. Blow through the VWAP. Blow through the VWAP. Trust the process. Here come the buyer. Here come the buyers. Trust the process. Here come the buyers. Oh, come on. You almost went through it. It's banging the VWAP and coming back. My last time here. Let's see what happens. Come on now. Here comes some buyers. Here comes some buyers. There they go. There we go. Let's go. Here comes some buyers. Oh, you faking me out. I'm watching it. I'm watching this the whole time. I'm watching this. I'm watching this. And I'm watching this the whole time. I just about to get out of it too. It's failing horribly. I don't like it. It's fading horribly. I want to sell limit, but I got this video going. I don't want all my information exposed, so I got to hold off and sell market. This is dangerous, sell market with this stock doing what it's doing. But again, I don't want to have my information exposed, so I won't sell limit. I wanted to sell in the past this VWAP right. Here we go, another green. New green and make a new high. This should be the point here I need to be. This is the candle here I needed to be. Need a couple buyers to come in to blow through this point. Come on. This point, I take 20 bucks off it. I wanted 40, but sometimes you can't get what you want. Curve up. Check. Check. Buyers. More buyer sellers. Check. Couple more cents. I call it quits. See what it's doing? It's hitting the VWAP, coming back. Hit the VWAP, coming back. It must make 408 support and become above the VWAP. We need a bull candle to come through right here. There we go. Right there. I hop out right there. I'm gonna go to my large account and watch for a sell point there. Am I in it? Wait. Not in it, am I? Gosh dang it. I'm not in my large account. I thought I was. Why didn't I buy it? Let me find a new point now to buy into my large account. PRVO. So this stock here made me earn every dollar. If you look at the video, you're going to see that what happened with the stock was this morning it had news, it exploded on one 5-minute candle. Let me give you the breakdown. I bought in here 404, 100 shares, sold at 430, right? For 26 cents almost. Now I wanted 40 cents, which would have been my 10% goal, but instead I only got 12%, 13% almost. So sometimes it don't do what you want it to, but I noticed this morning it ran up with the EMA, it made a higher day, it pulled back less than 50% of that candle, right? Then it took off again, it fell about 7 to 8 times, it kept failing. But I know this 408 point must be support, right? But also must go through this a VWAP. Didn't do that. It is basically was indecisive over it and it pulled back. Over it, it pulled back. So what we need here now is to make this 4.8 right here support. Current price is 410, right? 1 minute chart is going to show you the whole day consolidation, right? Even still, VWAP right here, still consolidating. Straight red, straight downward. Dark green means going downward. So uncheck that. Hold on. So this stock here makes you earn that money. The ideal thing would have been was buy back here when news came out, but sometimes we don't see that. Maybe we doing other things like me most mornings. I'm either drinking coffee, I'm giving the video, or I'm basically fixed on the top 4 stocks of the day. This morning, I was fixed on top 4 stocks of the day. ANCN wasn't one until 9 o'clock. For the rest of the morning, it was doing nothing. 9 o'clock, income news, boom, right? Over here, timber hit high of day, pulled back, broke the channel, which would have been right here. Draw a line right there. Broke the channel, which is right there, and now we riding below the channel. Not good. ANCN recovery mode. So what I'm gonna do is go over here, and if only we can keep this current support. And there you go, took off. I see it on the left side, took off. 428. See, it's still banging the EMA though, right? I'm gonna tell you also is I made 13%. Rephrase that, not 13%. I lied. I made 8%. Nah. Do math in my head. Hold on a second. 7.5% is what it is. All right. Let me go up here. I just saw some pop up on my screen. Take a look right here. SLDB. Now you know by now, I never say buy this, so getting this right now, I would say take a look at. Take a look at, right? So go to my charts. This is moving where I want it to. This is not doing anything. This wants to recover, but it's not. Timber is done. So I'm gonna go to SLDB because timber done at the moment. Watch for this pullback right here. Is any news on this? Let's see. No news. It just took off for no reason. So I'm gonna go over to SLDB in my large account and try to find a quick scalp on that. SLDB. SLDB. So you see how it is over there? SLDB. It's not doing much of nothing, right? If you look right here, you'll see the 1 minute chart. It's in pullback mode. Look at ANCN. It broke through this VWAP finally, and it's making it support, which is why I was telling you guys back here what I needed to do, but it would not do it. It kept banging it, come back, banging it, come back. At that point, I hopped out of it. To trade it again, I hop in right here for this move up. So I'm in it right now, my large account, for a run to 475. See if we can get it or not, 475. Actually, I put 480. I might change that. Remember I said earlier, I said you want it to curve straight up, right? And you want it to be lime green, taller than previous candle. Look up here. It's curving up. It's lime green, taller than a previous candle. Let's get $5. Also, look here. I said, if only we can continue to ride this 4.8, a large buyer would take over. We was riding the 4.8, large buyer came in, took over. My sell point, I moved it down to 475. I might adjust it again. I'm on my cell phone trading again. I'm not gonna trade information on my account. The limit orders on here will tell you my whole account information. I don't want that to happen. So instead, I'll trade limit on my phone, not on the screen. Here we go. We need 475. I hop out of it. 70. Oh, I blew through it. There it is. Did it get out? Or no? Yep. I sold. So I'm putting in the group right now my ANCN trade. Now, when you're trading stocks, at least not trade stocks, I only care about the top 3 leading gainers of the day, right? So when those 3 stocks decide they want to make a move, I'm gonna get my eyes on all 3 of them. But sometimes you're looking at may not make that move you want it to, Or you might see a stock come out of nowhere and it's explode like this one did this morning. This morning, this stock was back here somewhere, like 4 or 5 in line. All of a sudden, it had news come in. It took off, and here we are. There go $5. Now what I'm gonna do is, put the wrong photo in the group. My bad, y'all. I'm changing this photo. It's the wrong photo. I put in there my sports cards, not my trade, which is not what I was trying to do. This one I'm trying to do. There we go. Now ANCN has a chance to hit high of day. Looking for new HOD. It's possible. Now I may trade a second time. Let me see for a minute. Hold on, I'm trying to get my cell phone together for maybe possible another scalp on this ANCN. Here come the curve right there. There go the curve. 471. Alright, 3 minutes more. I'm in the video. We'll be at 40 minutes. So I'm in at 471 for ride to 505. What's the high? Hold on. Let me see the high again. Above 505. Put at 509. 2 minutes left. Call it a day on this video. Look down here though. Remember, check news. Always look at news, right? Some news though be trashed. And the stock will run up. Then it go up to where you wanted to be at. They'll sell. Maybe an hour or so later, you'll see a note saying direct offering. And you bought that stock way down there somewhere about near the high of day. And you got caught holding the bag. There you go, 505. I said new high of day, right? Let's watch for a minute. When the buyer is at. 1 minute left. I'm ending the video. I'm gonna get out at $5 this time. I don't want to play this game no more. Sometimes I get frustrated and I get tired of playing the game. I hop out of the stock and go about my day. It ain't a must that I trade all day. I like to trade a half hour or less during the day. And the rest of my day, I can do what I choose, not be in front of a computer screen trading stocks. Sometimes it get redundant. Other times it don't. Key thing is trading stocks is take what the market gives you and don't be greedy. Alright, 10:05. Y'all have a good day. Video will be in the group in a minute. And let's make some money. One trade away.